The Balenciaga Runner Blue Gray is a stunning combination of luxury and streetwear. Balenciaga has taken a unique approach with this design, blending vintage running shoe aesthetics with a deconstructed, futuristic look. The upper features a mix of mesh, nylon, and distressed overlays that create a worn-in effect, making the shoe look like it has already seen years of action straight out of the box. The blue and gray colorway is sleek yet bold, making it easy to style with both casual and sporty outfits. Now, let's talk about why the Balenciaga Runner Blue Gray is more than just a good-looking sneaker. First off, the multi-layered construction provides excellent breathability, thanks to the mesh panels that allow airflow, keeping your feet cool all day. The oversized, cushioned sole ensures maximum comfort and support, making it perfect for long walks or even daily wear. Despite its chunky look, it's surprisingly lightweight. Whether you're a sneaker enthusiast or someone who loves high-end fashion, these shoes instantly elevate your style. They fit seamlessly into streetwear, athleisure, or even a smart casual look when paired with the right outfit. Plus, Balenciaga sneakers are known for their hype and exclusivity, meaning you're not just buying a shoe, you're investing in a trend-setting, conversation-starting piece. If you want something that blends fashion, comfort, and luxury in one package, this is the perfect choice. When it comes to high-quality replica sneakers, repsneaker.net is one of the best platforms out there. Whether you're looking for Air Jordans, Balenciaga, Dior, or Asics, this website offers a vast collection of stylish and top-tier replica sneakers at unbeatable prices. With detailed product images, honest descriptions, and a seamless shopping experience, repsneaker.net ensures that you get the best value for your money. We understand that online shopping requires trust, and that's why we encourage all our customers to check out repsneaker.net on Trustpilot. You'll find real customer reviews and ratings that showcase the legitimacy and reliability of this website. Thousands of satisfied buyers have shared their experiences, proving that repsneaker.net is a trustworthy and dependable store for sneaker lovers worldwide. Now, here's the best part. Use our exclusive discount code, RSNOW, at checkout to get 15% off your purchase. These sneakers originally cost $169, but after applying our special discount, the final price drops to just $143.65. That's an amazing deal you don't want to miss. At repsneaker.net, customer satisfaction is a top priority. Their dedicated support team is always ready to assist you with any questions, whether it's about product details, order tracking, or payment options. They provide fast and responsive customer service, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free shopping experience for every buyer. If you ever need help, their team is just a message away. That's a wrap on today's unboxing of the Balenciaga Runner Blue Gray. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of these sneakers? Would you rock them? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an exclusive sneaker unboxing. This is Rsnow Unbox, signing off. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Victory Hand.